Hey guys, it's Sheldon with Guitars and Games. Today we're going to check out a new PRS Custom 24 SE. Just got it in from RiffCityGuitars. Let's go check it out.
Alright guys, hey, so we're here. I just got this new PRS SE Custom 24 in from Riff City a couple days ago. I want to do an unboxing of it and show you guys how awesome Riff City is and just how the PRS looks. So let's get going. And lots of packaging. Lots of packaging. Jeez, that was like one of those like canned snakes, you know, the ones that pop out and scare you. So, all right. Oh yeah, this baby's in here good. Yeah, let me get this out. Stand up out of frame. I can't get it out of the box. All right. So got this baby. It was packed really well, super well. So let me see if there's anything else. That box is empty. Get that out of the way. So yeah, Riff City gives you a couple of little cool things. You can get like, I haven't got this before, but it's a nice 2019 guitar calendar. It's hard to see that, I know, with the glare, but I'll kind of show you that in the picture now. It's pretty sweet thing. It's got a bunch of just really cool guitars in here, but that's super nice of Riff City to throw that in there. I can actually put that somewhere on the wall. Now, it's not actually that big, but hey, you know, free calendars, free stuff. Also, what you get, Riff City, they give you a cookie. This one is classic chalk, so I'm assuming this baby is chocolate chip, and I've gotten these before and they are actually really good. So it's always nice to get little goodies inside of there too. So, all right, let's break this baby open and see what we got. Yeah, nice gig bag. Packaged real well still. I have a few gig bags from Epiphone that I've gotten with a couple of my other guitars, and I can just tell you right away, this baby feels way more durable. It's got backpack straps if you need those, carrying straps on it. Nice big SE for the SE. Let's see what's inside of here. Some PRS warranty information and some silica gel packs for moisturizer stuff. We don't need those. And my truss rod adjuster and the trim bar. I'll throw those back in there. I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. It's also in here, there's like a bunch of little zip bags, like little compartments you can store, like, I don't know, like maybe pencils and a place to put your picks and maybe like stomp box, something else in there. So that's pretty sweet. All right, let's get this baby out of here. Oh man. Yep. So, yeah, I got the Trampus Green Custom 24. Riff City also, whenever you buy any of their guitars, comes with a free setup So that's why this is the actual bag, or the actual box was open from PRS. But they include a checklist, and this was done by, I cannot read that, but it's some scribble, but it's pretty nice. It comes with that professional checklist. You know, they check for the neck height, the any adjustments that need. They check the pickups to make sure that they're working and everything. So, you know, you buy that. I don't know how much, you know, depends on where you live and if you know the guitar tech at a guitar store, but you know, you go to a music store and get them to set it up for you, and you know, shoot, that's like 40 bucks right there, because you know, they'll have to adjust everything, put new strings on it. I can't tell what strings are on here by looking. And usually the Darios, you can see the colored pin, or the colored string ends on them. I can't see, but they might just be factory strings too, who knows. But yeah, so it's pretty nice guitar. Again, Trappist green. So yeah, I'm not going to go over any of the specs of this. I'll do that in a separate video, and I'm kind of I won't say a review, but we'll go through it and we'll let you hear some of the tones and go over all the specs of this thing. It looks super nice. Again, thanks a lot, Riff City, for you know, getting this to me. I got this on a Black Friday deal, and they gave me a pretty sweet deal on it. So I know that's over now for most of those deals that you can find, you know, on various, you know, Guitar Center, Sweetwater and whatnot. But a lot of people are weary about buying this stuff online because you never know what you're going to get, especially used. Now this wasn't used, so it's, I mean, it's brand new and there's not a scratch on this thing. But you know, with that setup, definitely on a tune, but you know, didn't expect it to be in tune when I got it either. So we'll have to tune it up when I do the review of it. But yeah, pretty sweet looking guitar. Great job by Riff City getting it to me. I think I got it in I ordered it Friday and I got it Tuesday. So that I think it shipped out Saturday. They do usually same day shipping. I know they had the label printed out the same day I ordered it. And then this thing was to me, you know, from Minnesota, like that. And you know, they just do a great job. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and I'll check y'all next time.